us a little bit about the judging process that they have here. How will they be determining which one wins from which class?
Sure. So first of all, we've got 11 classes. I'm going off the top of my head here, but I believe 9 of them are different, various years of Mustangs as they group by their heritage kind of thing. And then we have an open Ford class. And from a judging standpoint, of course, we're affiliated with the Mustang Club of America. And Mustang Club of America has their unique set of judging standards. And that's what we use. We're going to use basically what they call a, occasional driven class, which is a car that most people will drive, but they pamper their baby. Like my baby doesn't come out in the rain.
Or in the pollen months.
Or in the, well, now we do have to have shows in the spring.
Uh-huh.
So, but we don't judge. We don't take off for pollen.
All right.
Most of the occasional driven classes, it's based primarily on how you maintain your vehicle.
They're not as picky, though.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah. No, that's
because they know it's being driven every day.
There's a class for daily driven.
Uh-huh.
And that one is a little more relaxed as well. But the occasional driven, I mean, they'll go from the one end of the car to the other, interior, exterior, under the hood. And it's looking at the way you maintain your vehicle.
Uh-huh.
So it may not be the most expensive Mustang out here that wins today, but it sure be the one that's best maintained by their owner.
Yeah, and I'm sure, particularly as the car gets older, stock, factory, accessories, equipment, that plays into it as well as condition?
It does in certain classes.
Okay.
So when the Mustang Club of America does their shows, there'll be like a thoroughbred class. Well, they know every nut and bolt, and they'll go down and anything that's been modified.
They know.
There'll be modified classes, so they will go through all of that as well. But because, we're expecting somewhere between 50 and 75 cars today, there's not enough cars to have that many classes. So we're just basically treating all the vehicles today as an occasional driven class and using those occasional driven standards to judge the cars today.